Oh, Ginger Kid, is this your home? Has Crimson Creep finally found Ginger Kid's home? Oh, now you're trying to get away from me? I don't think so, Ginger Kid. You're going to have to do a lot better than to get away from Crimson Creep. Oh no, is that a motorcycle, Ginger Kid? Are you really trying to get away from me on a bike? Who do you think you are, a ginger hog? You will not be able to get away from Crimson Creep on any old motorcycle, Ginger Kid. And look, it's red. Ginger red, just as I expected. Oh, Ginger Kid, you do maintain your predictability. You're so predictable, Ginger Kid. Oh, no, you're getting away from me, Ginger Kid.